Hello and welcome to the garden. Today we are on our final days of summer here in South Africa, and I just want to take a walk through the garden and show you the last of my summer crops. And I also want to show you a small little extension that I want to do in my garden just to give myself a bit more space to grow more veggies for the upcoming season. Come take this walk with me. Okay, so over on this side, I'm busy clearing out this stretch because I want to use this shaded part of the garden to grow some of my cabbages for this year. So I'm doing a small extension of the garden into this side of the house. So this stretch will only come up to here, right next to the azaleas over there. Yeah, I'm still gonna keep these flowers for now. The amount of work I had to do, truly amazing that I was even able to finish all of this. This is what the rocks look like. They are very pretty, and they're even prettier when they are wet. So the previous owner really had a very nice landscape here, but it must all go to make way for my veggies. This is how many stones I had to remove using this trusted garden sieve that I got from Macro. Yeah, the wheelbarrow is full of those stones, and I still have a small little portion that I haven't done yet. But I'm not stopping until this part of my yard is ready to grow my veggies. And then on this side of the garden, yeah, like I said, the heat is, yeah, on another level. You see, the butternut squash is looking kind of sad, but that's fine. As soon as I water it, it'll spring back to life. There is this fungus here that has really been stressing me out. It started sometime last year when I was still growing watermelon. So it just seems to never go away. You see here, it's still on my butternut squash, but I'm just fed up with dealing with it. I'm just waiting for the last of the butternut squash to finish growing. Then I'm just taking out the whole plant. Over here, I have some tomatoes. You see that fungus that I was telling you about? It still affects the tomatoes, but it doesn't affect it enough to tamper with its growth and fruiting. As you can see, it still grows fine. There's even some that are on their way to being ready. Okay. This side, also my Heinz tomatoes. Heinz tomatoes. This one is the one that had bottom end rot, but I fixed that with some bone meal. You see, tomatoes looking good, but that fungus again, you see, the leaves are drying out. But this plant is a fighter. Got my purple basil there, right next to it. Okay, here it's a messenger of beans, onions, imbuya, nasturtiums, carrots. Even I don't know what's going on over there, but I'm not too bothered. There's still that, there's still that, there's still that, and there's still that. Now, this year I'm dedicating this patch to beans. Just beans. From here, going down, these are all bush beans. And then up there, over there, those are the ones that those are black beans. So I need to put some poles on that. Oh my god. I know companion planting, but this is overdoing it. So I'm gonna have to remove the beans and put it somewhere else. I don't know how that happened, but see, it did. Yeah, comfort ushiswe ilanga. Yeah, no sage now ushiswe ilanga. This part is still empty. And then one of these days I have to harvest that lemon basil. I don't have the energy to do it, but I have to do it. This is also sweet basil. I'm not gonna deal with it now. Here is garlic. Now garlic one. Eggplant again. Nala zudaba. I'll disappoint if there's ukon. I think this is the last of the strawberry flowers. I should do right. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I'll see you on the next one. Happy gardening to you.